What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the formal charges of methanol. The formula for formal charges is valence electron minus unbonded electrons minus half the bonded electrons. So let's find out the formal charge on hydrogen. Valence electron is 1. If you remember, the Lewis structure for CH3OH is basically like that, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So valence electron for hydrogen is 1. Unbonded electron for hydrogen is nothing, so there is no unbonded electrons, and we have 2 bonded electrons for each of them. So half of them is going to be 2 over 2. That will be 1 minus 1, and that's going to be equal to 0. Now for oxygen, if you find it, valence electron for oxygen group 6 is 6 minus unbonded electrons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons unbonded minus half the bonded electrons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 6 minus 4 minus 2. That's going to be 0. And then we have it for carbon. Carbon, we have 4 for valence electrons, groups 4. How many unbonded electrons? We don't have nothing. We have no electron for bonded electrons, so it's 0 minus half the bonded electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 bonded electrons. So 4 minus 8 over 2, which is 4. 4 minus 4 is going to be 0 as well. So that's how you find out the formal charges of each element in methanol. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question.